back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing Jamaica carrot juice. We're going to be doing Jamaica carrot juice. So we have our carrots, we have lime orange, and we have ginger. These are the things we're going to be using. And we need our glass cup, we need our streamer and blender and a plate. So guys, let's get started. You can see my carrot is clean. What I just need to do now is to cut my carrot inside my bowl. So I'll just go ahead and cut my carrots. You press it very well. You just press it very well. That will enable you to get all the juice you can from it. is my glass cup, guys. Now I'll be adding ice because I want it to be very cold. I'm adding my ice inside my glass cup. That is it, guys. So I just go ahead and stream it again. I'll just go ahead and stream it again. Just go ahead and stream it. After mixing it very well, just stream it inside my glass cup. Oh, wow. So guys, I'll be adding one or two strawberry inside. Oh, you can see that. So just mix it together. You can see how lovely it looks. You can see how lovely, how beautiful. It tastes good. It really tastes good, guys. It tastes good, good. Tastes good, guys. So guys, if you love this video, if you find this video interesting, please leave your comment below, like my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't just come and view and go. Please subscribe. I'm begging you from the bottom of my heart. Please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, guys. Show me some love. Please help your sister. Show your sister some love and help me to share my video. See you guys in my next video, and you guys should stay safe and stay blessed. Have a lovely evening. Bye now, guys. Bye.